What is the purpose of life? The timeless question faced by man since the beginning of time. Various civilizations of the world have explored this question. The over 10,000-year-old Vedic civilization that flourished in India is the most ancient living civilization. The time-tested ultimate lifestyle of this successful tradition is sannyas. What is sannyas? Sannyas is living your highest potential, experiencing the peak possibility of your life, and taking the highest responsibility of enriching yourself and others every moment.
Freedom from some conditions, maybe freedom from poverty, freedom from some inability. These are all freedom from negative part of freedom. Please understand, the negative part of freedom will never give you the fulfillment unless you have the positive part of freedom. Freedom for what? Freedom for. Unless you understand freedom for, the freedom from will not give you fulfillment. You will take it for granted. I tell you one step further. Freedom from, the from and for is ultimate freedom.
Sannyas is the eternal recession-free field. Become the role model to uplift the spiritual consciousness of people all over the world. Directly solve the life problems of people around you.
Insomnia, I have everything with me because of drugs.
I know.
Yes,
I know
give
you
up.
have insomnia, and for years I know you have it. Because you're just possessed by this.
The last few decades we saw revolutions in the fields of electronics, nanotechnology, genetics. The coming decade and beyond is the revolution of spirituality heralded by the conscious shift of 2012.
You tried the lifestyle of running behind Bollywood, Kollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood, all wood celebrity, and you also experimented with the lifestyle of drugs. You also experimented the lifestyle of IT revolution. You also experimented with the lifestyle of industrial revolution. Finally, you received only three things: drug, death, depression, 3D. It is time to see fourth D, divine. Consider sannyasa's lifestyle. All I request is decide just to make few days trip to the ashram to learn more about sannyas, what it is all about. Nothing is obstruction. Your age, your culture, your background, your community, your religion, nothing is obstruction other than your mind.
Sannyas is a declaration of true freedom.
Here, the sannyas life itself is an ultimate career.
A sannyasi is the person who is always positive, who is always in the highest energy, and who is always working for enriching everybody around him with complete responsibility.
Living a conflict-free, fulfilled and contented life, expressing and exploring my peak possibility.
I wanted to be in the presence of a living master, the omniscience, and explore life beyond what I can conceive about the life myself.
Takes me to completely new heights of living a life that I absolutely love and a life that I am so fully inspired to live every day with its total newness.
The ultimate fulfillment through the path of sannyas. So I welcome you all to come and experience this also.
As sannyasis of the Nityananda order, we welcome you to join us on this interactive panel discussion webinar on Experience the Peak Possibility of Your Life, Sannyas.